guys, welcome back to my IGTV. I'm here with a knife today. Are you guys thinking, why am I with a knife? So, here comes our unboxing video. Actually, a huge unboxing video from Nykaa. I've got a lot more products from Nykaa for my skin and hair. Like, I'm literally going to transform my skin and hair, and here are the products. Let me just share the products which I've got today. So, let's unbox everything. You're just seeing it like I've got these many products for my skin and hair. Like I would really wanted to transform my skin and hair. We have many DIYs to transform our skin, but once in a while we'll have to, give the products a try as well, or else our skin, will remain sensitive, and that is what I feel, and that is the reason I've ordered all these products and for myself. So let's quickly check out what I have ordered and what are the products and what are the brands that I've chosen for my skin and hair. So let's get started. So as you see, the first thing where to start. I'll first start with the hair care product which I've got. So this is the shampoo and conditioner which I've come across in recent times. I do not see I do not see more videos or more reviews for this brand on any YouTube channel or anything, any Insta pages or like that. But I've come across this brand somewhere and I've gone through all the reviews and then I've searched for this product and the ingredients in it. And this is very trustworthy brand which do not have any sulfates and parabens or SLS in your in their products, and I felt why not to give it a try, and I just got these cute packaged shampoo and conditioner from the brand Wishcare. You can see, I hope you are able to see that. Yeah, this is the rice water conditioner, and this is the shampoo from the same brand, which is the rice water shampoo and conditioner. Again, as we use rice water on our scalp, like for DIYs, and from that we have this hair care range from Wishcare. So I thought, why not give it a try? So I just bought these two. I'll have to use all these products, and I'll definitely give you the genuine review after using all these products, guys. Just stay tuned. This is not a promoted video. I am a person who thought of investing on my skin and for my skin and hair, and thought of like, why not giving the people or help the people like me to to get the right products, or to know about some brands, or to get switched to the right skincare and hair care. So that is the only reason for which I'm making this video. So yeah, this is the first product. The next hair care product is this Rama Ayurveda's Brigadi Kailam for intensive hair care treatment. This is the brand which I trust a lot. Like I have already used this oil before, and this is the one which works on your hair. Like it works wonders on your hair. Like it will give your hair strength, and the hair fall literally reduces if you use it. Like within one or two usages only, you will definitely see the difference in your hair fall, which I have seen on my hair. So I just got a huge bottle of this again, the hair oil. It is a quite costly option, but again, as I told, for your skin and hair, it is definitely worth it. Like if you put it once in a while, it will just come for months, like 2 or 3 months easily for me. So yeah, I keep on switching the products. I just don't use only this oil for oiling all the time. So it will last for like 2 to 3 months again. So it's worthy, like for 2 to 3 months if you purchase it. Purchasing the product which is somewhat costly, it's okay. It's for your skin and hair. It's for my skin and hair. Ultimately. So yeah, that is the reason I've bought this again. So yeah, this is my most favorite product, and I'll definitely make a review out of it soon, as I've already used a few bottles of it. So yeah, you will have to try new products, and you will have to choose products which are good for your skin and which are not good for your skin. So that is the way. Like you will have to choose the same way. You will have to. Yeah. So moving on. Now that is all for hair. That's all for hair. I have this oil and the shampoo conditioner combo. The three are from like hair care. Now moving on, I have this cute brand called the Empathy. I am just in love with this brand. Like this brand products are like they show us heaven. Literally, uh, it works wonders on your skin. It leaves your skin soft. It exfoliates your skin and it removes all the dirt, and it will make your skin very glowy and refreshing. So that is the reason I like and I fall for these products from MTFE. And this is a cute body scrub which I have ordered for myself, and this is a combo which I've like got like this, and yeah. And trust me, it will definitely give you a spa experience in home. Like if you are a person like me who are not affording the spa treatments and the other treatments outside, so definitely you will have to try this body scrub, which works wonders on your skin. It leaves your skin very soft and supple, and you'll really literally feel you'll literally fall for your skin in love. So yeah, this is the first product from them. And yeah, other than the body scrub, I've also ordered this face scrub from Entafane again. Yeah, this is again for face, which is very light exfoliator. And if you are a beginner and you are looking for a scrub, a mild scrub, it is a wonderful option which you will have to definitely try. So yeah, this is a coffee scrub again for face. The goodness of coffee and vitamin E, which works on your skin, like removing dirt and cleaning the pores, and also it will leave that glow on your face after scrubbing your face with this. So I just got this again. This is my second tube, and yeah, this coffee mask which I ordered this time is the first try for me. I just used these scrubs from MTFN before, but now I have ordered this coffee face mask as well. So after scrubbing your face to keep that glow, or to give that facial wala look on your face, definitely a face mask is also needed. So I just thought, for why not we give it a try. So I just ordered this face mask from MTFN with this small and cute stick. We got this face mask. This is the one. This is the combo actually which I've ordered. For this cute combo which I have ordered, this is the cute complimentary which I have got from MCaffeine. So let me just open it and show you what is there here. Oh wow, these are so cute. The small bottles. This is a recent launch from MCaffeine, the hair fall control kit, and these are the small sample packages of the hair fall control range. I will have coffee hair oil, and yeah, the scalp scrub again, and we have the coffee shampoo. These are the three small packagings, like sample packagings, which I've got for ordering these three. So yeah, this is so cute, and I'm definitely going to try this, and will let you know also. So yeah, the packaging was really so good, so pretty and so nice. The next thing is this Pond's like gel. I'm in just love with this moisturizer. I just use it in my skincare routine. The reviews for this are just amazing. This is affordable again, and this is a gel-based moisturizer which works wonders, I feel. Yeah, this is the one product. The next product is this Wishcare face serum, vitamin C serum. Uh, Again, this is the brand which I've come across while searching for a good face serum for a beginner and for sensitive skin. I have literally sensitive skin, and I am looking for a serum to include it in my skincare for the first time, and that should be vitamin C, which is what I prefer. So I ordered this Wishcare Vitamin C Face Glow Serum after seeing many reviews and for it, and I don't know why we do not have any reviews for it in our platforms like YouTube and Instagram. Maybe I didn't come across, so that is the reason I just wanted to buy it and try this vitamin C serum. So this is the serum which I have got from Wishcare again. So after going through the reviews and all, I thought it would be suitable for my sensitive skin and for my skin issues which I have. Like it, I'll have to use it and see whether it keep up what it claimed. Like it claims like it will work for your dark spots and the acne scars and the open pores which are which are there post acne or pigmentation. So I'll just have to see how it works, and I'll definitely review this product very soon after the usage, and I'll let you definitely know how it works. And the next product is this Dermaco HA face peeling solution, and I thought of like including one weekly serum which clears the open pores and which makes your face feel refreshing. So I thought of using the the glycolic and salicylic acids which are being shown in the market these days for your skin, like for the youthful skin these days. We'll have to use salicylic acid and the glycolic acid once you are crossing your 20s, like that. So I just thought of including one serum like that in my weekly skincare routine, and I just came across this Dermaco HA solution. This is the very beginner and sensitive skin friendly solution which I've heard. So again, this is the first time I bought this, and I'll have to I'll have to use it and review this, and I'll definitely do it for you guys. So this is the packaging I've got. I just like their lines, like live life without filters, the no filters line. So yeah, here also I just do not have any makeup on my face, and I do not have any filters, and so I just want to keep up the skin like this, the skin, very fresh and youthful like this. So I just wanted to switch to this brand and to this peel off solution. So this is one product which I have got. Yeah, again, I have a daily usage serum for acne scars and acne marks, which is from Dermaco again, the 10% niacinamide serum. So I just thought of using it on daily basis for my acne scars. So I just ordered a small package, like 10 ml solution of this, and I just thought of giving it a try, and I just ordered this. So I'll have to again use it and see how it goes in my with my skin. And I'm again telling you, I have extremely, like not extremely, but sensitive skin. Yes, for sensitive skin people, I'm again telling you, just do a patch test before using any product or before choosing any product. Just don't fall for the products just by looking the reviews and all. So I just ordered it like to, to just see whether it goes well with my skin or not. So yeah, that's it. So yeah, here comes the this is the last product which I have like to show you guys. So that's it. These are all the products like which I have ordered for myself. This is not a brand publishing video or something else. I just took products for myself, for my skin and for my hair, and I am just trying some of the products here for the first time, and I'll have to see how it goes for my skin and hair. So I'll definitely see that and make a complete review of each and every product which I'm using for you guys. So just stay tuned with me, and if you like this video, just give it a small like profile right now, and do follow me and check out each and every video from now, and it's going to be interesting and very helpful. So thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned. Bye bye.